Katukani sngi hadian banakaliang ke Dr. Mazel Ampareen Lingdo, Menteri Berem ke Sarkar MDA2, kalapin pau ke jing sngolingo halor ke jing bam Kynjoh Ktien Menteri Rangba ke Jela, ban penhiar syuki no eka, nakaliang Menteri Rangba ke Jela, Conrad ke sangma, ulami syakmat ban ai ke jing pensyai halor ke ne. Haba keren cikilat pathai kubor ke no pai sngi ke lai pau terik unai lor arpusan, Conrad ke sangma ulaong, Manaka liang jong u hakakat arterik unai lor arpusan ula Phah ke Shithi baro ke menteri ke NPP mat baro ke layo pediang heka ula ong maka jingkeli bandan ke jingken jok Ktien kami namar baya baro ke jingdan kam la deban tho hakate ke Shithi.
Just so that we put the records straight, on Friday the 12th of September when the cabinet when the assembly was over, in the evening at about 8 o'clock, I had dispatched letters to all the concerned ministers, especially from the National People's Party, because the other parties had already decided and some were still working on their decision. And so, minusing the other political parties and other coalition partners, to the four cabinet ministers from the National People's Party, the letter was sent and all of them had received the letter. And obviously, I expect that when they receive a letter from Chief Minister, they will go through it and they will see it. And we have confirmed that the letter was received. And so that is what the procedure was followed with everyone. And so the question of not communicating and not informing does not arise. In the letter, it is much better because all the details were mentioned. I did not share the letter with the press, and if necessary, we can share that letter also. But this exercise was conducted and all had received the letter.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya